Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing wonderful today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lois Omaitha and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you and I do appreciate. So guys, my house has been suffering for quite some time, for about a week. I didn't have any groceries, and also so guys, today I'll be going to the market, and also I didn't have any meal prepped cereals, and you know what that means, guys. If you don't have any cereals meal prepped, so anytime you want to take your carbohydrates and you want to take it with some proteins, you know your go-to proteins will be only meat, and that is not a good thing, guys. So that's why today I want to meal prep, and also I want to go to the market and I will show you everything that I will get. Also another thing that guys I will be doing, I have a lot of laundry to catch up with. I don't know if it's only my house or it's everyone. Laundry in this house, it's always something that you have to do every day. So I'll be also doing laundry, and I hope you do enjoy this cleaning motivation, homemaking motivation, guys. And if you do, guys, kindly leave me a comment and give this video a like, guys, because if you give this video a like, this video will be suggested to so many people and I will grow that way, guys. Also guys, I can't forget, thank you so much for 477 subscribers. I see you guys, I do appreciate, and I thank you guys for being patient with me, guys. Within this week, guys, kindly, those 23 of you remaining to subscribe, kindly subscribe and help me to reach 500 subscribers and help a girl to grow, guys, and God will bless you. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight to the video, and I hope you do enjoy.
And we brag about to go do.
So we'll start by lighting the jiko, and here I'm showing you an easy way of how to light a jiko within 5 minutes. You don't have to struggle anymore because I have a solution for you. Just follow the steps and it will light up within a few minutes. And here are all the cereals that I'll be boiling today. Had soaked them the previous night, so they have been soaking for about 12 hours. So we rinse them and add red onion and garlic, and this takes your cereals to another level of sweetness. Kindly try it out. Boiling one cereal will only take 20 minutes using a pressure cooker. Another tip I want to share with you is after removing the pressure cooker, run it under cold water to remove the pressure inside quickly. So next, guys, I'll put a load of laundry to be cleaning as I go to the market. The load is going to take about 56 minutes, and within those few minutes I'm going to be back from the market. And here is everything that I got from the market. So this day I started by cleaning the pillows and the duvet, then later we spread and clean and organize the bedroom, and also I'll be folding all the laundry that I cleaned yesterday with you. So for the beddings, I prefer using the Star Soft because the smell is a bit mild compared to the Downy. As usual guys, I have to turn the mattress once a week. So guys, my wardrobe were out of place, and also I wanted to tackle the laundry that I had done yesterday, and it was a lot. Hope you get motivated to tackle all those laundry in your homes. If you have come this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate, and I hope you do get motivated to tackle all those chores that are in your house, and I do appreciate all the support. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Also, any video idea that you may be wanting me to do for you next. Also, guys, kindly give this video a like, and also share me out with your friends and family, and I will appreciate. Till my next video, bye.